Good morning, good vibes, and welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. I'm standing underneath the iconic arch, but your boy's got flat feet. I ain't here for arches, I'm here for barbecue. My spot back home happens to be open on sporadic days, my cravings, 7 days a week. So we're here in St. Louis to rectify that problem. Before I can get the barbecue, I've got to earn the barbecue. So we could do it the traditional Kai way, a little cardio, a little resistance training, maybe even some more cardio. But we could also time travel, take things back to the good old playground days. Let's see how that works out.
That's good.
Welcome to the City Museum, and yes, that is a bus teetering at the top of this building. I don't even know how I found out about this place, but pretty stoked to be here. I am a child, and I feel like this is just a giant playground. So dope. Next slide.
That's what happened to me.